Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, March 17th. Let's see what we have to do for today. It is Wednesday, it's an async day. That means we will not meet in class together on Zoom, but I do have office hours. Let's see what our assignments are for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have two activities to do. The first activity is you will complete pages 24 and 25 on the grammar, and you will take a picture and upload. Okay, take a picture and upload. Make sure your picture is clear and I can see the answers. Your second activity is a Google Doc. So in your Google Doc, you are going to remember click My Document. Sign in to your Carlos Rosario email. Remember to do that first. Always sign into your Carlos Rosario email. Then you click My Document. Then you click Edit. All right, and it should appear. So it looks like this, where you have to correct some run-on sentences. So you are going to punctuate, use commas, or use conjunctions, or use periods. So what I mean is here you have this sentence is a run-on sentence. So if I decide to use period, then I will make the W in we capital, okay? And that's what you will be doing, okay? And that's how you do this assignment. It's a little long, you have 14, and then you have this paragraph that you also need to punctuate, all right? Always remember you can ask me questions if you have any. And that's it for async. I do have office hours today from 7 to 8. So please come. I can go over Spark 3000 techniques. I can go over answering questions, give any clarifications if you have any personal, anything you want to talk about. I'm here. There are two activities. This one is in the morning. We talked about workers' rights, and also if the library also has a session from 7 to 8, the resources at the public library. So um, that's it for today. Good luck.